Kryvyi Rih has been living in water economy mode for the second month. The city reduced the water supply to industrial enterprises as much as possible, banned the operation of car washes and watering from houses. They also reduced the pressure of water supply to residential buildings. Because of this, residents of the upper floors rarely see water in the taps. They give water not for hours, but for minutes. Maybe 15 minutes, maybe 20, but not for us. Where I live, there is no schedule. After the destruction of the Kakhovka hydroelectric power station and the shallowing of the reservoir, 2/3 of the inhabitants of Kryvyi Rih were left without Dnipro's water, 11 million cubic meters of water per month. This is a shortage of water in the city. Therefore, they quickly decided to build water conduits below Kryvyi Rih, from the river Ingulets to the south reservoir.
We are directly on the site where the water intake will take place.
Builders have been working around the clock for about a month here. They do everything necessary so that water from Ingulets can be pumped to Kryvyi Rih. Now at the site of the future water intake, the coastline is being strengthened. For this, the riverbed was temporarily blocked. 2 lifting stations are being made for water supply. At the same time, pipes are being laid. They must be laid in 4 rows to provide the city with the necessary volume of water, each for 16 kilometers. Plastic pipes are used to last longer. They are brought from Romania, Italy, Turkey and are immediately given to the brigade for soldering. There are 10 of them working here.
If we take all the brigades that do this work for us, then we do up to 1 kilometer per day.
There has never been a construction of such a scale in Ukraine, the contractors say.
Process is technologically difficult because of an urgent facility that needs to be built and designed almost simultaneously. There were no such facilities in Ukraine at all. They will also use the latest pipes, which hadn't been used in Ukraine before.
160 people and 50 units of various equipment are working around the clock on the construction of the main water conduit. The amount of work that they need to do in a short time is huge. Trench preparation, pipe soldering, irrigation canal clearing. It will also temporarily become part of the new water conduit to fill the south reservoir.
In total, the conduit will supply 400,000 cubic meters of water per day. This is enough to provide the city of Kryvyi Rih with water.
All works are financed from the state budget. The first startup of water is promised to be made by the end of summer. Reported by Diana Kolesnik, Natalia Husak, Volodymyr Штангелов, UATV News.